man, she is still alright. Foxy Brown and I used to be friends. And I did 2 songs for her. She did one for me, but then she wouldn't give me the song for me and I started war. Yeah? And the accusation was that I like her man, I want her man. She said it to my female manager. I'm like, what? You know? Which was Praga, who was friend with my ex. You know? So I don't know how that's possible. So, anyway, she was about to say something about my career and I just shut it down. And I said some things. Because me not normally in my mouth, so me under construction know what back then. I saw her reaching out to me recently. And I'm like, she reaching out to me? She reaching out to me because she want me to do some video clip for another female who is going through. And I couldn't do no more than just tell her. So when I was going through, you see, when it was like the world was against me, people set people against me, I had was to turn to Christ. And that is where I find comfort and I found healing. Shenseea, I love you. See, you're so beautiful. You're so innocent and beautiful. It didn't take that to get you to where you are now because you're still nowhere. You're still nowhere, darling. Nowhere. You have talent, but you don't have good writers. The writers are writing the songs that you need to. Yeah? Because I believe people don't, you can be, I'm not forcing you to be a Christian, yeah? I would love for you. But people can sing songs. Look at my boy, you see how long? I pray that I had sing some songs like those. Eh? It's like those songs last. People not giving you right songs. Your melodies and your hooks. And spice is stuck in the whole way. You can't, you need flavor. No right. Yeah? Nah. People need to tell you the truth. Yeah? That don't do anything. That is why you have to be stricken. That is why you have to be out there with your whole body out like that. True talent don't need that. True talent don't need that. Look back at Lauryn Hill. Yes? Look back at Lauryn Hill. Yeah? Even a young girl, her. Look. I didn't do it right. I saw the men degrading women and I decided to come to and say, and then I didn't have to tell anybody if my body pretty. Yeah? I know to go out and say that. I go to, yeah? I remember going by my pool and I took a picture and my butt was out. And it's all over the internet. Sometimes I go in through Marvel and I see it and I'm like, Jesus, I wish if I could just crash the internet. Take it off in a different way, you know what I'm saying? Salvation is free, honey. You don't have to sell your soul. And brothers, videos are going around. If your grandparents tell you about your great-grands, I know they submit. Go to him like I did. Yeah? Let me tell you this. What I see you competing for, there's no what you need to get people's attention. You don't have to take off your body. You don't have to do nothing of that sort. Yeah? And you still can wear shorts. Yeah, just enough is shorts. Still can wear. Amen? I love you, and if you take it any other way, that is the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Jada Kingdom, I see you. You're weak. You're weak. You're weak, little girl. Shenseea, you're pretty, but you're weak. Spice your played out. All ladies are thing done with. Tell them the truth. And I don't care if it hurts. I don't care what you do to me. I don't keep my mouth about myself, you know. There's only one thing that I don't tell you yet. I was married. And one day you'll hear about it. It just didn't work out. Yeah, spirit never meshed. But one day, yeah, on a bigger platform. Because when I'm going to talk about it, it will have nothing to do with, like I'm trying to, no, to gain something. It will be to open eyes, you know, of women. Yeah? Women who don't know their worth. Yes, it will be that. Yeah? And some people can't take it a different way. But it doesn't matter.
Marian R. Muasa. When me look up to when me just a come in a music, me say me used to par, me used to deronia. So we all know what you are made up of, right? But what is hurting my heart so much is when people change and they want to say people are doing bad that they used to do. I understand what you're trying to say now. I understand what you're trying to say now, Mumasa. Marian All, sorry. I understand what you're saying, Marian All. I understand what you're saying now. But I don't understand. I understand, but I don't understand. Because if you want the young people and old people like me to come in a church with you, that's not the way to go about it. That's not the way to go about it. How can you influence us to go into church talking like that and behaving like that? You cannot, that now. You did not convince me. I mean, like, Jada Kingdom is weak. What did you expect from a Jada Kingdom? She's a young child. She just come in. You were young when you started the music too. You were young. And you had this big white panty, big old white drawers. And some face of them that to ban you. They had to ban you. You went on some face with one big old white drawers. And skin out your front. And some face ban you for about 20 years. You forget? We must have kids. And we were kids. We were children too. We do wrongs when we are picnic. And when we mother tell we not look for mother. We not pay mother no mind. So even my friends and nowadays, when me see them, I tell them, pick them, but we're too rude on our punish. Someone have to stop because we were rude kids too. We were kids and we rude. So if Shenseea come out to dance song, she want a man lick her from left, right and center, and she want to come show her pum pum, you don't have no right to come tell her that she can't write and she can't do that. You have writing problem too. You have to get writer too. And you can't come and tell people about spices and live in your yard and this. That is not a Christian, my girl. You understand? Me know say me can't war and the whole and kill me and clash and do me bad and enough things me not talking and enough things me not come out and talk because you of all person were one of them that stood into my career and give me a lot of fight. I got a lot of fight from you, Masa. And if I wish to talk the truth, is the truth. You do not like to see when a lot of female is doing well. And the female them is doing well and I must wish them well. These young girls, they are doing well. And it's time you start to love and appreciate them no matter what you're doing or even if you're a Christian. Because the woman them go through hell. Look how much things them put me through and me still giving them strength. Shenseea is not going to be the last young girl going to come in this business. People going to come after her and Shenseea will have to accept that. And you go up on Winfred and carry Spice from it. Remember when they want to bring down my career, you went on Winfred and you grab on Spice and they say, she are the next queen of dance and I give it to she. So you want to take it now? What you want this the girl? What you bring to the table? I don't understand. What you bring? And the top of the girl, child, and the people them go see her body and fall apart. What are you doing? Come on! That's not a Christian. When I listen to your argument, Masa, it's like I tell the people that this the girl. It's like I tell Spice, spit the kids them at school. We laugh after the kids them, I sweat a song. Like I give them things to do. That's not a Christian. When I look at my paper book, if the man left under my pussy falls, what was that? Be a leader, not a follower, my girl. When you go over church and can't be the queen of a church, so you want to come back in the dance hall? People, listen to me. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. Me not beg no friend on the don't tell me say my own and run me out of dance hall long time. Me still turn up in there by myself. Me alone and God. Me go through hell. We Lady G go through hell too. Lady start find ourselves go our Rasta show. And when Lady G locks up our head and I try to run from Lady Star and go up on the Rasta show down at Ocho St. Mary. Start find ourselves down to go up on stage at this Lady G. Make people write up on things about Lady G in the paper. Right? You're not perfect too, Marian. I'll stop it. Come and encourage people. If they come out and say you're praying for them. Oh, Jesus, help me, Lord. I am praying for Shenseea. I am praying for Jada Kingdom. I'm praying for Spice. I'm praying for all of these new generation. Better they come out and say that. Don't come out and come degrade the girl them like that. Oh, we don't feel good for coming to church. Oh, you over here, sir, watch. I saw you miss over here, sir. Oh, you see everything. People, when me I put out the cucumber song, remember when I put out the cucumber song, I was telling you something, people can never talk. Because one thing in my life when God make me wait for her. Because she said she a Christian. Everybody pray too. Spice in our house a pray. Shenseea we a pray. Oh you don't know if I pray Shenseea's pray for this for big now and our career make it. Oh no can't make it look like people don't know God, man. Come on, man. You're over to the Christian thing now. And you always sound like you're still a DJ or you're still a baptist or you're still bully the people. You never want nobody else people that talk so you got over man and hold on everybody. So instead of repenting and find yourself properly first, you're coming to degrade people. Don't do that. Let me tell you something now, people. So I'm going to have the cucumber song, and I'm going to release the cucumber song. I'm going to dress up like the old lady and all these things, and you see the internet, they're going, and I crack the internet. You don't know, say, let us send me about 1,000 voice note. The woman say me don't look good and me don't sound good and the cucumber song now go nowhere and this and that and me just stop it and the music done with me and she all tell me say the music done with me, you know, and see me here right now. And nearly 20 promoter call me since week for shows. Me still at the music still a pay my bills. Ladies should be over the church going on so good that we wish with the tongue Christian too. You understand? Instead of over here trouble the young people them. Right? Me and you a big old woman now, and me still a try to do my thing because me nobody not pay my bills. You understand? Me never say no way in a Jamaica and another world when them say old people when they reach over a certain age, light bill free, rent free or mortgage free. So me still have to find a way over keep up my career, and that's what I did. And everybody asked me, do one little song with you, I say big woman versus young girl. Me never in there this up the girl, I'm not going to this up young girl. No, me do it for fun. Because me I say, when the girl them reach my age, them can sing the song. You have to be creative. And that's what I do. Me use my creative genes and I hold up my thing. And I go and maintain my career. Me, if I want to come back to the music, if I want to come back to dance and later, we accept it, you know? We accept it, we can make a rum out the stadium like Buju. Come on, man. Remember some Ninja Man do it, you know? Ninja Man do it how much time? So if you want to come back, no mama. Nothing wrong with it. You idolize it, you know. Yeah, me not busy one say about not the Spice and the whole of years. We know that the whole of them hold on my career, them do all of what they want to do. Me not care, but me still there. Maybe God never want me to reach certain place or in a certain things. So God know why Him allow them to do that. But them still couldn't kill me. You understand? But when I say later, if you want to come back, come now. We accept you. The people them love you, you know. You're one of the most strong female when you walk up and stage, you come like it's a man artist and you rock the place. The people that miss you for true. The people that would love if you come over here. But are you go up and Winfred? Are you go up and Winfred and hold up and Spice and say you are the next dancehall queen? So where you come take it to? Where you come degrade the girl now for? Me don't want a friend from Spice and a friend me love about split justice. Me don't like them things here. Let me tell you something I never know about me. Me have a love in my heart for the female artists them because I know them go through. I just them not no love for me, enough of them not no love for me and no business about me, but me still not care. Me not make them mash up my heart. Shenseea not do nothing wrong with that song. Right now, I don't want a man skin me out and lick me. What wrong with that? No love making. Oh, you go hold the Bible and pray to God after you talk about the people them like that. Me could have never do it. No matter what you and Spice and all of them do me could have never talk so bad about them. Me wish them all the best. Me wish Spice all the best. Me wish Shenseea all the best. Me wish everybody all the best. Because me no blow breath in my life. And that's why me look so, and me always look so good because me heart, me not carry nothing here so. Me don't carry nothing in here. Why you stifle over the church, you want to like you in the future. What if you look at a 20-odd-year-old girl and I come tell her this and that and she need right and she need this and she need that and blah, blah, blah. And but nobody that bother you. Nobody that trouble you. Look here, the lady sent me one bag of voice note when we do the Cucumber song. And when she said the video, oh, I was just passing on the internet and I glimpsed you on the internet dressing like this old lady trying to convince the people that the whole thing is going to work. You need to stop. You don't look good. You don't sound good. You sound like fuckery. And she never said the fucker guy, no, she's a Christian. You don't sound good and the people are not going to accept you anymore. You need to leave the business. I said, like, seriously? Are you on music? Sir, I can't even find the voice note them now. I couldn't hear them because I couldn't think of lie me and tell. Ask the lady and if I lie me and tell. Because I know the lady and talk the truth. Look how the woman then suffer the man them every time the man them go up on stage show and come back and can't buy house and they can't buy car and they can't buy land. And when the woman them go now and come back we can't even buy the tire them from the car. The way them treat you bad. And you want to bring down woman so? Oh God man. You're not lying. I feel for crying. For crime, I can't believe this. Them things that come out of a girl because she's a Christian now. So I'm not let me lose half of you. Woman, me lose half of you. You want to come in a church and so you go. And so you go. The part about me, you know. The part about me, the woman say. The woman body will fall apart. And then she will pick the demon. Come on. How it reach yourself?
Change the thing up. Change it up. Oh, look at all the international artists them. Look at them. Look at Beyonce. Did Mary J. Blige have to do half that, take off this and take off and bend and do this and like ladies are? And she, look at her. She still remain. Beyonce still remain. Yeah? So now that you're on, that is what I'm telling my sister. So what is wrong with that? Eh? I started this, so let me fix it. Help me fix it. The next song that should be coming out should be a positive song. Eh? All this nonsense and then somebody gonna say something to you, shenseea, and you gonna tell the man about you're going like you not do it. So why if him do it or him not do it? Him come out and tell him do that? That is so disrespectful what you said. Because I saw that now. Yeah? So I'm trying to help you. And I would really do something with you all of you. Let us do a song. Start it like this. I'm a mother. I'm a daughter. I'm a sister. I'm someone's child. Now, all of us is going to have a testimony. That's what I call it. Because you're going to talk about what you have gone through. Maka Diamond, you've gone through you're going to deal with it. I am a victim of